Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from Group L010. For this week, which is week 6, this slide introduces the focus of our case study, which is orchestrating the modern supply chain. It explores how modern supply chain can be improved through the socio-technical innovation, which means combining the advanced technology with human collaboration. Specifically, we examine the Google Cloud supply chain twin and how it integrates with the digital system with human decision making in global logistics. Next, we will highlight the core problem in the today's supply chain. Many organizations operate with siloed and incomplete data, limiting the visibility across the manufacturing, distribution, and also retail. This had led to the major financial impact, including the estimated $1.14 trillion in global losses due to the out-of-stock item. This root cause is the lack of integration across the enterprise system, suppliers, and external data sources. So factors such as aging inventory, weather destruction, and global crisis have further exposed these businesses. To address this issue, the supply chain twin bridge the gap between the physical operation and also digital data. It creates a virtual representation of the entire supply chain, allowing the companies to monitor and manage operation in the real time. Unlike the traditional API-based system, it uses as a orchestration-based architecture for faster and more flexible integration. Additionally, the supply chain pulse module provide a real-time dashboard and analytic and also to alert the support collaboration across teams. Next, this slide shows the shift from a traditional supply chain management to a more advanced approach. Previously, systems were siloed, slow, and also reactive. With digital twin, visibility becomes end-to-end, covering enterprise, partner, and public data. So, processing time is reduced significantly from the hours to minutes, enabling the faster insight. Most importantly, decision making shift from the manual reactions to proactive and AI-driven action supported by a real-time alert.
However, this slide shows how multiple fragmented data sources are unified into one operational system. On the left, we have three main inputs: enterprise system like ERP and inventory, supply and partner systems such as stock level and transport status, and public data like weather and risk indicator. All of this data flows into what is called a data orchestration funnel, which processes and integrates the information. At the center is the supply chain twin. This is a digital representation of the entire supply chain, allowing the business to stimulate, monitor, and optimize operation in real time. The output is displayed through a dashboard, enabling three key capabilities: real-time visibilities, AI-driven stimulation, and alert-based event management. In short, the system transforms scattered data into actionable insight for faster, smarter, and decision-making. This slide explains how innovation is not a one-time process, but a continuous loop. Stage 1 is addition, where companies identify real industry problems, such as high cost from stock shortage. Stage 2 is virtual prototyping. Instead of immediately implementing solution, companies test ideas digitally using the supply chain twin to evaluate outcomes. Stage 3 is pilot testing, where solutions are applied in a controlled real-world environment to refine performance. Finally, stage 4 is for ecosystem scaling, where successful solutions are expanded globally through partnership. The key point here is the innovation continuously scale, improving testing and scaling over time rather than stopping at implementation. This slide focuses on how the system ensures reliability and security. First, cybersecurity and privacy ensure the sensitive business and partner data is protected within a secure infrastructure. Second, contextual and environmental risk management integrates external data like regulation and environmental factors to anticipate disruption. Third, real-time assurance uses continuous monitoring through dashboard to detect and respond to issues immediately. Overall, this infrastructure is designed to reduce risk, improve resilience, and maintain stable supply chain operation even under uncertainty. Next, this slide that technology is not enough. Collaboration is essential. At the center is Google Cloud acting as a trust partner, connecting different stakeholders. On one side, enterprise client benefit from strategic guardians, where technology is aligned with the business goal. On the other side, system integrator contribute by building solutions within an open and collaborative ecosystem. Data providers supply the necessary information while continuous upskilling ensure that user can effectively use advanced analytic tools. The main idea is that successful digital transformation depends on collaboration between technology, people, and partner, not just the system itself.
Four-step process. First, source verification is start at the beginning. Raw material data is authentic and logged immediately to ensure origin quality. Second, immutable ledger. As goods move, blockchain ensure that compliance data cannot be altered, creating a permanent tamper-proof record. 3. Partner trust. This transparency allows supplier and distributor to operate with total confidence, especially regarding specialized handling like halal compliance and consumer visibility. Finally, digital twin dashboard allow consumer to confirm for themselves that ethical and regulatory standard we meet. The old friction. In the past, we relied on abstract API integration. It was a mess of spreadsheet and disconnected data stream that create confusion and resistance. The new clarity. We replaced that with digital twin visualization. By creating a visual mirror of our physical supply chain, we make the data intuitive and visible. Trigger. It began when public data, like a weather anomaly, across a predefined threshold. AI action algorithm instantly simulate the potential impact and suggest tactic response. The the AI does the heavy lifting, providing us with immediate option. Human in the loop. Government. For complex or high-risk issue, the system don't act alone. It flag and route this specific case directly to a shared human workspace. Resolution. Finally, our cross-functional team collaborate in real time within Google's workspace to make the final executive decision. The key metrics 95% speed increase. We seen processing time drop from 2.5 hours down to just 8 minutes. This allows for near real-time decision making. 200 plus territories. This is a localized success. It provides global scalability across our entire diverse ecosystem. Holistic visibility. By seeing the full picture, we eliminate again inventory and drastically reduce stock out costs.